Alright everybody, so by now whatever tweets we have extracted, now we will do the cleaning of the tweets. Alright, so I'll just explain what does cleaning means, but before that, first thing which we're gonna do is here we're gonna convert this list which we have created in the previous video. We're gonna convert that into a data frame. So for that we require pandas, import pandas as pd, and let's just see, right, that is imported. Now I'll create a df data frame, which is nothing but the data frame, and then I'll say pd dot data frame, and it is completed. Inside that I'm just going to supply this list of tweets, which is all tweets, and I will give a column name which is tweets. All right, and then I'll just print certain tweets out of that. Here is what we got. All right, so here we have the tweets. Now you can see this this is showing the complete text. In your case it might not show because I have done certain settings. The setting is, this is what the setting is, pd dot options, and then you're gonna say display, I'm not sure, is display dot column width, this is not column width equals to 1000. Okay, there is some error, so let me just take it from here, the exact syntax. Instead of wasting the time to figure it out, I'll just copy paste from here. Okay, so I must be having it somewhere over here. So here we have just right over here. Okay, so I'll just copy paste. Okay, so we got this. So this setting will make you see the complete string of your tweet, right? So we will be doing the cleaning of this tweet. What this cleaning means is, here you see there are certain words with @ and then some with hashtag. Okay, so we're gonna remove these things. Then we have certain stop words, that is something which we also remove. Let's do this one by one. First thing first, we will try to apply the cleaning on one tweet, and then we will apply that on the all tweets which we have extracted, somewhere 50. Now let's just create the cleaner. Okay, so for that, first thing which we require is to grab one tweet. Okay, so let's just say one tweet. Okay, let me first try this. Okay, df dot ilog, ilog, and over here I would say 4th row from the column which is tweets. All right, let's just print. Yeah, here we got this. Okay, don't worry about this slash or and, it simply shows a new line. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now I will just store it in one tweet. Okay, over here, and this is stored into one tweet. This I'm doing because so that I could apply the cleaning on one tweet first, and then we will apply it at all. Okay, so now over here I have just inserted one shell. I'm just going to create the cleaners. Okay, so how can we do that? For that we require one more dependency to be imported, which is regular expression. So for that I will just say import re. Re is nothing but regular expression module. If you require to instruction on how to install that, you can just let me know into the comment section. I will make a video. Now this is a website which helps us creating the regular expression. So here I'm using one tweet, and I will try to make a regular expression which could identify all these things, and then the hashtags. So link I will provide of this website, link will be provided in the description section. Just check that out. Okay, now first thing which we need to find is @. Then after that we need to find all the alphabets. Okay, so now the problem is it will be identifying only small letters. We also need to fetch the capital letters. All right, so now this is done. There could be certain scenarios where you would have some numbers also into this. So for that I will just say 0 to 9. This is done, and because this is selecting certain characters only, so we need to select till it finds the next space or line, right? So for that I will just put plus. Now you can see it is selecting the complete word, and 2 items are selected. Now this is the regular expression which is going to help us clean the tweet. So let's just say I'll just import the thing, insert the cell below this, and over here I will say clean tweet equals to re.sub. So re.sub is nothing but the substitution. If you look at the function here, it says put the pattern which you want to find, then put the replacement instead of the match, whatever you want to put that. For example, if it finds this match, so instead of this match, what is it that you want to put? Then here it asks you to put the string. means what is the string where you want to do the search. So that is one tweet. Let's just try to put this. So first thing which we need to put is pattern. So pattern, we will put this under this thing, okay, in the double inverted comma, which is prefixed with r. R is nothing but it simply says this is raw string, and then I just want to replace this with nothing, okay, so I'm just putting double quote, okay, and then I will need to supply the tweet on which we want to perform this cleaning, okay. Now let's just run this. Now you can see this @ word is gone. Similar thing we need to create, you know, to replace this hashtag. So for that, everything is gonna be same. All that I need to do is just change this to hashtag, and I will also like to replace the blank spaces, so I will do this. Alright, and instead of one tweet, I will use clean tweet, which has been cleaned in the first step, so that here it would have @ word already removed. Now when you run this, like you can see, hashtags are also gone. This is done. In the next video we will see the stop words.